I called up at the time our academic director of training, and by the time I finished my coffee, I was going to Morocco and going to Brazil and fell in love. I fell in love with everything about Maple Bear. I'm retired now, and it's such a pleasure to do what you love and share your skills and experience with others. It's such a pleasure. I absolutely adore working with the teachers, modeling, training, working with the children, meeting the families of our Maple Bear schools, working with owners and helping owners to build their vision of their beautiful schools for their communities.